Hello Storm friends, welcome to the Haven. I'm Mussetta Lee Storm, but you can call me Muse, and today I'm going to show you how I make oatmeal no-bake cookies. Now, I went to 4 different elementary schools in 3 different states, and every single one of them served these cookies. So this is a memory that's dear to my childhood and probably many of yours, so I hope you keep watching. Okay, what we want to do to start off is to line 2 large baking pans with either wax paper or parchment paper. This is to put the cookies on when we have finished mixing all the ingredients. Okay, in a 2 quart or larger pan, you're going to want to take a half a cup of unsalted butter. You can use salted if you like, but I am using unsalted. The brand I'm using this time is Earth Balance. 1 3/4 cups sugar, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, and a half a cup of milk. I'm using hemp milk this time. Now we are going to take our ingredients in our saucepan and heat that up on our stove on medium heat. We want to bring that to a boil. Once brought to a boil, we want to boil it for 1 minute and then remove it from the heat immediately. Once we remove the chocolate mixture off the heat, we're going to immediately want to add 2/3 cups creamy peanut butter. You can use crunchy if you want, but you do have to make adjustments to the recipe for that to work out. 3 cups oats. I'm using rolled oats. I do prefer using rolled or steel cut oats, but you can use quick oats if you prefer those instead. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once you have everything mixed together, you're going to scoop these up in 2 tablespoon size amounts and put these onto your prepared baking sheets. I'm going to be using my cookie scoop. Okay, now that those are sitting on the cookie sheets, we're going to let those cool at room temperature until they solidify. If it's warmer where you're at, you can definitely put these in the refrigerator to speed that process up. So before I show you the finished product, I do need to let you know that I'm going to be gone for the rest of the month of June and the first week of July. If you're watching this on the day that this posts, my birthday is in a week and my husband's birthday is in less than 2, and we'd like to go out and do some things around our house and just, you know, some summery stuff. So if you want to keep watching me, make sure you subscribe. And here are our oatmeal no-bake cookies. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe, and also so that way you know when I come back. And leave me a comment down below if you try this recipe out. I have some thoughts and ideas about what I might want to try. I was thinking about switching up the chocolate powder with maybe some protein powder to add a little bit more health benefits to these. Either way, if you like it and you try it, let me know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!